XRP gears up for a significant move. A major South Korean crypto exchange is in ties with XRP, and XRP lawyer bets on Bitcoin as the bank contagion spreads. We have a lot of major titles to cover in this video today, but the biggest one of them all is how XRP will supposedly get relisted onto Coinbase immediately after Ripple's victory over the SEC, which is massive. So if you guys don't want to miss out, then stick to the end of the video for that. Additionally, if you guys like this type of videos and want to keep up to date in the future, then let me know by smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel with the post notification bell turned on. So for starters, looking at the market today for XRP, it is currently valued at 38.68 cents and has increased in value today by a total of 3.48%, which is pretty good indeed. Now, in accordance to the RSI graphs you can see down here, the relative strength index, we seem to be at a bit of a crossroad. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, it seems that we may be seeing higher highs and higher lows, which is typical that of a bullish trend on the horizon. Additionally, we can see the difference in today's graph in accordance to that of 10 days ago. The RSI seems to suggest that it is stronger today than it was 10 days ago, even though it is currently valued at lower than it was 10 days ago. 10 days ago it was valued at 38.9 cents, whereas right now it's 38.7 cents, yet the RSI is stronger. Meaning that we may be seeing a breakout very soon with XRP, especially if XRP could break out of this downward sloping resistance and downward sloping support wedge that I drew out. But only time can tell. As you can see, XRP did in fact manage to break out of this downward sloping resistance line earlier today, but that does not mean that the breakout or bullish trend is confirmed just yet. So I'll be keeping a close eye on the market and filling you all in with future predictions. However, I have to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice, so be sure to do your own research and trade at your own discretion. And quickly before I move on to my next major title of this video, according to data posted by the XRP validator website, XRPL is seeing a nice increase in the number of new accounts created daily. A total of 2,078 new XRPL addresses were created on March 13th, which is just 6 days ago, which remains the biggest increase since early January. So, what do you guys think? Who will win, the bulls or the bears in the XRP market? Do you think XRP is going to see a breakout very soon? Or will the bears continue to reign true and XRP will continue to fall down in price? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Now, in a recent announcement, Upbit stated that the airdrop will take place on March 24th, which is in about 5 days time, and that a total of 50 million tokens will be dispersed equally among solo and XRP holders. So this is how the major South Korean crypto exchange, Upbit, is going to support XRP and XRP holders, which is very nice to see. I will leave a link to this source, to this website in the description below if you guys want to read more. But if you guys would like to participate in this airdrop, then I set a reminder for March 24th. In other news, XRP lawyer bets on Bitcoin as the bank contagion spreads. I'm fairly sure it should be common knowledge to us all of the scandal that happened within SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, and how that affected the whole United States financial market, as there was a massive crash across all the banks. And as a matter of fact, the crypto market, Bitcoin surged more than 34% over the past 7 days, which was very good indeed. The crypto market has been doing far better since this whole bank crisis, which is a good and a bad thing. So what does John Deaton, the XRP lawyer, think about this whole situation? Well, he mentioned that there are 186 banks that are facing similar troubles like Credit Suisse and the First Republic Bank. He also added that in a matter of a few days, the Federal Reserve has raised over $300 billion of quantitative tightening over the past year. XRP lawyer believes that this will be Bitcoin's moment as the bank stocks are struggling. People are losing their faith in the banking system, in the United States financial system, and putting their assets, their funds into crypto in order to save it. And according to this tweet from Gold Telegraph, a new study shows that economists is warning that 186 banks may be prone to similar risks of the collapse of SVB, like what John Deaton said. And yesterday, Janet Yellen said that not all uninsured deposits would be protected in future bank failures, only those that pose systemic risks, picking winners and losers, which is just incredible. Not all of your assets will be saved should a bank go under, which is why people are putting more faith into crypto as of right now. And global bank valuations are down nearly $500 billion so far this month. In just 19 days of this month, the global bank valuations are down $500 billion, which is absolutely insane, guys. Furthermore, last week several banks coordinated to provide First Republic with $30 billion in liquidity. John Dieter's reply to this is saying this could get even bigger than we think. This could get even more out of hand. And this just in, mid-sized banks are reportedly requesting the FDIC to ensure all deposits for 2 years per Bloomberg. And Dieter replied to this saying that I bet 200 to 300 banks will go under if there isn't some FDIC guarantee. And this crisis has nothing to do with crypto. Despite what the 1% in the United States are saying, crypto has no part to play in this. I'm also going to play a little 5-second clip for you guys, which John Dieter replies to be tragically sad. Just take a listen to this.
There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. We will do whatever we need to do to make sure that there's enough cash in the banking system.
And for you guys who don't understand what he means by this, why he said it's tragically sad, is that this guy's first reaction to criticism regarding his statement would be, I don't get it. Why did I say that was wrong or controversial? The statement provides us with the mindset of the career bureaucrat. What's another trillion? No big deal. They do not care where their money goes and how they spend their money. They'll keep pumping more and more money into the market until they can get their way. It is just sad. He says there are plenty of money when, as a matter of fact, there is not. And finally, before I cover my last major title regarding XRP getting relisted onto Coinbase, I want to quickly talk about what is next for Bitcoin, which is believed that the first thing is going to be a safe haven narrative, where extended rallying, where mid to low caps alts 10 to 20x. And then secondly, a party is over, a short-lived pump followed by a nuke. So effectively guys, do not go all in and be sure to take your profits, as the market is believed to have a small little pump that's going to start very soon, if not already, and then it's going to nuke like crazy, which then is when we're going to see the proper bull run start, and we'll see all altcoins and all crypto reaching all new time highs. And it is also just worth a note that Bitcoin is currently well known as Gold 2.0, with the same market cap of gold being $613,523, and then XRP is also known as Swift 2.0, and the investor side believes that they should settle for 10% of what Swift do and take a 0.1% of it. In revenue, XRP market cap would be around $360 billion with revenue based multiplier of 2, so one XRP would be worth $7.05. And now, I'm sure I've been keeping you guys waiting for long enough, so the news article covering XRP will get relisted onto Coinbase immediately after Ripple's victory over the SEC. Exchange Chief Legal Officer hints. So effectively, will Coinbase relist XRP promptly? Well, when asked whether Coinbase is planning to relist XRP after the court's ruling in the SEC Ripple lawsuit, Gruol noted that it would depend on the grounds of the ruling, the judge's legal reasoning, and the exchange's assessment on whether or not the Apex Court would uphold the decision. What he said, and I quote, was, "So a lot is going to depend on the particulars of that court rules. I know that's not going to be terribly satisfying to some, but we do have a responsibility as a publicly listed company to tread carefully in this area and with respect to any token that's a subject of federal court legislation," the CLO explained. He however assured XRP holders that Coinbase would immediately begin the review process as soon as the ruling was made. And he quoted saying, "I am very eager as anyone else to see how the court rules, and what I can say as soon as we have the ruling, we will put in our process to see if we need to revisit our listing decision." So effectively guys, Coinbase will immediately review whether XRP should be listed onto Coinbase after the court ruling. It doesn't mean that XRP will definitely make it back onto Coinbase straight away, but depending on the ruling, which for the most part a lot of people seem to believe that XRP will beat the SEC in this lawsuit, Coinbase will consider relisting XRP. But anyways, that is it for the video guys. Surprisingly, in the moment of making this video, XRP's value has now almost increased to 40 cents, which is absolutely insane. So yes, like I said in the beginning of the video, maybe a breakout is on the horizon. But just for the record, I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice, so please do trade at your own discretion. I'm merely just stating my views based off my own research, but otherwise if you want to keep up to date on all the hot new crypto coins that could blow up and make you the most gains possible, then please feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on that post notification bell as well. Like the video, drop a comment down below on your thoughts and what coin you'd like to see next. But remember guys, it's just a coin, and I'll see you in the next video.